What if I told you that 30 days from now, your life could be completely different? Not from luck, not from a miracle, but because you decided to do one thing: learn AI. That's right, 30 days. That's all it takes to go from confused to confident. From being afraid of the future to becoming the future. Because here's the truth most people don't want to hear: AI isn't coming for your job. It's already here. It's already changing industries, replacing roles, reshaping everything we thought we knew about work, education, creativity, even what it means to be skilled. And the people who are waiting for things to slow down, they're going to be left behind. But not you. You're here. You're listening. And that means you're different. You don't want to just survive the AI wave, you want to ride it. You want to understand it, use it, master it. And I'm going to show you how step by step in just 30 days. No fluff, no technical jargon, no fake promises. Just a real roadmap that can turn anyone from a student to a stay-at-home parent, from an artist to an accountant, into someone who understands and uses artificial intelligence to build their future. Day 1 isn't about learning how AI works. It's about learning why it matters. Watch one documentary. Read one article. Ask yourself, what kind of problems is AI solving? What industries is it disrupting? This is where awareness begins. Because when you understand the power of AI, your motivation to learn it goes through the roof. Days 2 to 5 are about the foundation. Go to YouTube, Coursera, or free courses online. Search, what is AI? How does machine learning work? What is neural networking? You don't need to become a PAAAHDAADDDDHEHE. You just need to understand the concepts: input, output, data, training, models. That's it. Watch, pause, take notes, re-watch. Give yourself 1 hour per day. That's 5 hours. Less than most people spend on Instagram in a week. And already, you'll know more than 80% of the population. Days 6 to 10 play. Yes, play. Start using free AI tools like ChatGPT, DALL, Leonardo AI, 11 Labs, and Sora. Try prompts. Break things. See what works. Ask it to write a poem, generate a business plan, code a website, create an image. You're not just learning what AI can do, you're learning how you can use it. This is the moment when most people feel the spark. The moment they realize, wait, this changes everything. By day 11, you're no longer just a user. You're a student of strategy. Start following creators who break down AI for real life on YouTube, X formerly Twitter, LinkedIn. Start saving tools. Join Discord servers. Find out which prompts work. Learn how people are using AI to make money, solve problems, automate work. You're not learning for the test. You're learning for your life. Days 12 to 15, go deeper. Choose your lane. Want to build a business with AI? Focus on automation tools. Want to become a content creator? Learn prompt engineering. Want to write code? Try beginner-friendly platforms like Google Colab, Python notebooks, or Replit. You don't need to master everything. Pick one track and commit. By day 16, you need a mini project. Something real, not a fake tutorial. Create a chatbot for your YouTube channel. Make a personal assistant that emails you a daily summary. Build a website that updates itself. Write a full blog post with ChatGPT and publish it. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be done. Because confidence doesn't come from theory. It comes from execution. Days 17 to 21 are all about feedback. Share your project online. Ask people what they think. Post it on Reddit, Facebook groups, or a community like Indie Hackers or Product Hunt. Be willing to hear criticism, because every comment is a lesson. Every bug is a breakthrough. This is where your learning becomes real-world applicable. By day 22, you should revisit your notes from day 1. Look at what you've learned. What confused you before now makes sense. You're not just someone interested in AI, you're someone building with it. That's the difference between dreamers and doers. You're doing, you're in motion. Days 23 to 26 are for leveling up. Try advanced tools. Test Autopt, Langkine, Runway ML, Agent. These tools let you chain eyes together. Imagine setting up an AI that thinks, types, creates, and reports while you sleep. This isn't hype. It's happening. And you can build these systems with no coding experience, just curiosity and courage. Day 27 to 29. Help someone else. Teach what you've learned to a friend, sibling, or even a stranger online. Because when you teach, you learn twice. And when you share, you start building your reputation. In a world where AI is doing the work, your personal brand is everything. And then, day 30. You wake up, and you're not afraid anymore. You don't feel lost. You don't feel like AI is coming to destroy your future. Because now you know AI is your ally. You're not a victim of technology. You're a partner in it. You can think faster, create smarter, work better. You are not replaceable, you are augmented. The truth is, most people will never do this. They'll keep scrolling, keep waiting, keep hoping the world doesn't change too fast. But you've already started. You've already taken the first step. And by the time they realize what's happening, you'll already be living in the future they never prepared for. So here's what you do next. Subscribe. Hit the bell. Because in the next video, I'm giving you the exact toolkit, the best AI tools to learn, earn, and dominate in 2025 and beyond. No more confusion, just clarity, direction, and action. This is Next Gen AI, Saboor, and the future doesn't wait.